welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Shratanshi. So as you can see, I just washed my hair and it's really wet, but it's raining and finally we're getting some monsoon here in Mumbai. I have like 10 minutes until my class starts. Today is a Friday, so I'm really happy that the week's ending because it's not even been 1 week since my online school started, but I'm done. I can't handle it anymore. But anyways, I have chemistry. I actually woke up really late today in comparison to the time I usually wake up on, because I didn't go for a workout today because my friend didn't actually come, and I have a really bad habit, but I can't go if I don't have company. Now I'm just gonna wait till my class starts because I'm too lazy to do anything else.
Hey all of you, did you miss voiceover Shratanshi? You probably did not. I know nobody cares, but I'm back to irritate everybody. So I was logging into my chemistry class, as you all can see.
Good morning, sir.
And yeah, this is the stuff I do, all of this weird stuff I do while nobody joins the class. Let's move on to the aesthetic part, and I'll just shut up for some seconds so that you guys can take a rest from my annoying voice. And yeah, let's move on.
Someone who laughs like you.
Anyways, I have my bio class and I'm joining because it's 30.
Okay, I lost track of time, so joining bio was quite a task. But yeah, we barely get like 20 minutes, out of which you can say 10 are already gone and like extending the time. But apart from ranting about the break time I get, I managed to join bio on time, and as a punctual person, joining on time is an insult for me. I have to be early. And what do you expect? I know it sounds weird, but you guys shouldn't really be keeping any expectations from me at this point.
Hey everybody, I just got done with bio and now I have TOK. So if you're an IBDP student, which I am pretty sure you're not, but TOK actually stands for Theory of Knowledge. It's a subject where we actually question a lot of things. For example, why a particular law was made this way. I'm new to TOK, so this is gonna take some time for me too. It seems like a really interesting subject and it's compulsory. It should be interesting because I don't want to die. Let's go attend TOK. I have like 10 minutes of break, so I'm just gonna give my eyes some rest.
TOK is actually a very interesting subject. You have really good discussions with your classmates, and yeah, of course you have to make notes. That's a compulsion, of course, but yeah, it's really fun. Next up, I had chemistry again because like I had French, but my teacher didn't really join, so we had to do chemistry again. So we had double chemistry today, which is fine because I enjoy chemistry a lot and we have like a really great teacher, so it's usually really fun, and the weather was beautiful, so what more do I need? I had math next, and math is actually really fun because I had add math in 9th and 10th, and I've basically done whatever the teacher's teaching right now. If you're familiar with IGCSE, you probably know what add math is. If you don't,
Hey everybody, I just got done with my second last class for the day and I have bio next. I had double bio today and I just realized that I have a meeting like 5 minutes after my bio class ends and I really need to eat, so I'm gonna go have lunch right now. It is 1:15 and attend rest of my classes, and I'll meet you guys after my classes are over. Bye. Hi, I'm back. I took a short nap and I feel way better. My brain was about to burn and it's time to balance up the work. So today I'll be doing bio. Then actually I also have to finish my weekend assignments because I'll not be there tomorrow and day after. I'm going out and after a really long while. So before I go out tomorrow, today I just have to finish up my assignments for tomorrow and day after, do a little bio, pack my stuff, and I also have to edit a video entirely because I have to post a video tomorrow, and I've not edited at all because I had like a lot of stuff going on this week and like a lot of assignments because IBDT has started for me and I just don't get time anymore. So now I'm just gonna overwork myself. Sounds really fun, I know, right? So yeah, let's do that.
You really thought you would get rid of me that easily? Well, voiceover Shratanshi is here to stay, at least for this video. But basically what I did was I took notes from that day. Whatever I've done from the online class, I usually like to rewrite it and take notes from the textbook. So that's basically what I did. So basically the rest of the day was spent in doing my assignments, my weekend assignments of course, as I mentioned earlier. Then I also went on and did a little of my YouTube work, and also I did my Notion video scripting. Don't worry, it's coming, I promise. And I also edited my first day of school a little bit. Basically, in short, overworked myself to the fullest. It sounds really fun, but don't try it at home. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and here's a sneak peek for A Weekend in My Life Part 2.
It's all about the bumps in your heart.